Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You have heard about a city, Constantinople, whose one side is in the land and other is in the sea." The companions radiyallahu anhum submitted, "Yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The hour will not occur until 70,000 Banu Ishaq, the Arabs, fight in it. When they reach and land there, they will fight neither with weapons nor shoot weapons. They will say, La ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. There is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. One side of this city will collapse." Thawr says, "I think it means the ocean side." They will say, La ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. Second time, and its other side will collapse. They will then say, La ilaha illallah wallahu akbar. The third time, the gate will be opened for them, and they will enter it and procure the spoils. While they were distributing the spoils, a shriek would be heard that the Antichrist had emerged. So the Muslims, leaving everything, will return. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7262.